Did you know the world's heaviest jack-o'-lantern weighed 2350 pounds?
Let me see what's in here. Guess what? It's wood in here. I'm just rescue Kim. Oh, what do you like? The monster put it in the pumpkin.
Hey Kiki, thank you so much for saving me.
Now I'm gonna make this pumpkin into mommy. I've got a big pumpkin, guys.
And we are making this into
Mommy.
yeah.
Looks like mommy for kids.
We
Did you know that people originally carved turnips instead of pumpkins?
need
Toilet paper, it'd be white. It's gonna be stinky to mommy. Hi guys, we're gonna put tape on the eye. And the spooky nose.
Did you know that pumpkins are classified as a fruit, not as a vegetable?
Look at my spooky Mary pumpkin. Now guys, it has a nose, it's got a mouth, and eyes. It's got a nose, it's got a mouth, it's got eyes. You do it out, toilet paper, and you do it out these papers, and you put tape on. Happy Halloween! You hope you be a mommy. You eat a treat, you'll be a mommy. And happy Halloween! Bye guys, happy Halloween! Bye bye!